Yo, what is up everybody? It's your guy from Family Trip and we are back with another video. Today we're taking you on an incredible journey to Ratanakiri, located in northeastern Cambodia. This place is insane, absolutely insane, in the best way possible. We're talking lush jungles, crystal clear water, and adventures you wouldn't believe. This region is celebrated for its pristine natural freshwater sites, and we've picked the top 5 spots for you to explore. We're talking hidden waterfalls, serene lakes, and swimming holes that will blow your mind. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So grab your backpack, your swimsuit, and your sense of adventure, because we're about to dive headfirst into the heart of Ratanakiri. Let's do this thing. Alright, first up on our Ratanakiri adventure is Yeklaom Lake. And let me tell you, this place is special. Nestled in the heart of Cambodia, this lake is a hidden gem that offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural significance. It's not just a body of water, it's a living, breathing ecosystem that has been cherished by the local communities for generations. We're talking about a volcanic lake, people. How cool is that? Imagine a lake formed by the raw power of nature, a volcanic eruption that happened thousands of years ago. It's like Mother Nature's own masterpiece, sculpted by fire and water. Formed nearly 8,000 years ago by a volcanic eruption, this place is steeped in history and natural beauty. The lake is almost perfectly circular, a testament to its volcanic origins. It's like stepping back in time to an era when the earth was still shaping itself. The water here is insanely clear, like something out of a postcard. You won't believe your eyes until you see it for yourself. The clarity of the water is so pristine that it reflects the sky and the surrounding jungle, creating a mirror-like surface. Seriously, you can see straight down to the bottom. The lake bed is visible even from the surface, revealing a world of underwater flora and fauna. It's like looking into a natural aquarium, teeming with life. Surrounded by dense jungle, it's like stepping into another world. The lush greenery forms a natural barrier, isolating the lake from the outside world and creating a serene, almost mystical atmosphere. You can feel the energy of the earth here. It's electric. The vibrant colors of the jungle, the sounds of wildlife, and the fresh, invigorating air all combine to create an experience that is both grounding and uplifting. Now you can't come to Yeklaom and not take a dip in the water. The lake is not just for looking at, it's for experiencing. The water is cool and refreshing, perfect for a swim on a hot day. It's refreshing, revitalizing, and the perfect way to cool off after a long day of exploring. Imagine the sensation of diving into crystal clear water, feeling the coolness envelop you as you float effortlessly. Trust me, you'll feel like a new person after a swim in this lake. The water has a rejuvenating quality that washes away the fatigue and stress, leaving you feeling refreshed and invigorated. And the best part? The local communities have done an incredible job preserving this natural wonder. They understand the importance of maintaining the lake's pristine condition and have implemented measures to protect it. They've built wooden walkways and platforms around the lake so you can experience its beauty without harming the environment. These eco-friendly structures blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings, providing access while minimizing impact. We spent hours just wandering around, taking in the sights and sounds of the jungle. Every corner of the lake offers a new perspective, a new scene to marvel at. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of nature. The air is thick with the scent of flowers and the sounds of exotic birds. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way, with every breath and every sound reminding you of the richness of the natural world. It's truly an immersive experience. You don't just visit Yeklaom Lake, you become a part of it. The sights, sounds, and smells all work together to create a feeling of oneness with nature. If you're looking for a place to connect with nature, find some peace and quiet, or just take some epic Instagram photos, Yeklaom Lake is a must-visit. It's a sanctuary for the soul, a place where you can recharge and reconnect with the natural world. Trust me, this place will leave you speechless. The sheer beauty of the lake and its surroundings is something that words can't fully capture. You have to see it to believe it. Don't just take my word for it though. Come see for yourself. Plan a trip, pack your bags, and get ready for an adventure that will stay with you long after you've left. Yeklaom Lake is calling your name. Answer the call and discover the magic of this volcanic oasis for yourself. Next up on our Ratanakiri adventure, we're venturing off the beaten path, away from the usual tourist spots and into the heart of nature. Our destination? The Hidden Gem of Ratanakiri Waterfall, a place that promises both serenity and adventure. Now this isn't your typical tourist trap. Getting to Ratanakiri requires a bit of a trek through the jungle, but trust me, it's worth every step. The journey itself is an adventure, with the dense foliage and the sounds of the jungle enveloping you. As you hike through the dense foliage, you can hear the roar of the waterfall getting closer and closer, building anticipation with every step. The sound is like nature's own drumbeat, guiding you forward. And then, you turn a corner, and bam, there it is, cascading down a rugged cliff face in a display of raw power and beauty. The sight is nothing short of breathtaking, a true testament to the untamed beauty of Ratanakiri. The water plunges into a crystal-clear pool below, creating a natural jacuzzi that's just begging for you to jump in. The cool, refreshing water is the perfect reward after the trek. And the best part? You'll probably have the whole place to yourself. It's a secluded spot, far from the crowds, where you can truly connect with nature. We spent hours here, swimming in the cool water, soaking up the sun on the rocks, and just enjoying the peace and quiet of the jungle. It was a perfect day, filled with simple pleasures and the beauty of the natural world. It was the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. In a world that's always moving, always noisy, Kachan offers a rare moment of tranquility. But Kachan is more than just a pretty waterfall. It's a place where you can feel the pulse of the earth, where the power of nature is on full display. It's a testament to the power of nature, a reminder of the beauty that exists beyond the concrete jungle. Here you can witness the raw, unfiltered splendor of the natural world. It's a place to reconnect with yourself, to breathe in the fresh air, and to just be present in the moment. The experience is almost meditative, a chance to reset and recharge. If you're looking for an adventure off the beaten path, if you want to experience the true heart of Ratanakiri, then add Kachan Waterfall to your list. It's a destination that promises both excitement and peace. You won't regret it. The memories you make here will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the hidden gems that await those who seek them out. Get ready to be wowed, because our next stop is Kachan Waterfall, and this place is next level. Imagine this, a towering wall of water cascading down a sheer cliff face, surrounded by lush jungle, with the sound of rushing water filling the air. It's like something out of a movie, but trust me, it's real. Kachan is a sight to behold, and the best part is, it's easily accessible. You can walk right up to the base of the falls and feel the spray of the water on your face. Talk about refreshing. The cool mist is invigorating, especially on a hot day. But Kachan is more than just a pretty waterfall. It's a sanctuary for those seeking peace and tranquility. It's a place where you can truly connect with nature. The lush greenery and the vibrant ecosystem make it a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. The air is thick with the scent of wildflowers, adding to the sensory experience. And the sound of the water cascading down the rocks is like music to your ears. It's a symphony of nature that calms the mind and soothes the soul. We spent hours here just soaking up the beauty of our surroundings. Every moment felt like a gift, a chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life. We even had a little picnic lunch by the falls, which was the perfect way to refuel after a morning of exploring. The sound of the waterfall provided a soothing backdrop as we enjoyed our meal. Sharing stories and laughter, we felt a deep sense of connection not just with nature but with each other. If you're looking for a place to relax, unwind, and escape the everyday grind, Kachan Waterfall is calling your name. It's a perfect retreat for anyone needing a break from the chaos of modern life. Kachan Waterfall is calling your name. The serene environment invites you to slow down and appreciate the simple pleasures of life. Trust me, this place will leave you feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to take on the world. The energy you gain from this natural wonder is unparalleled, and ready to take on the world. So pack your bags, bring your sense of adventure, and let Kachan Waterfall work its magic on you. Wet. Importance of protecting our planet. So there you have it, our whirlwind tour of Ratanakiri's top freshwater sites. From serene lakes to adrenaline-pumping waterfalls and the wilds of Lumphot, this region has something for everyone. Thanks for joining us on this virtual tour of Ratanakiri's top freshwater sites. We hope we've inspired you to add this incredible destination to your travel bucket list. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. And be sure to let us know in the comments which spot you're most excited to visit. Until next time, keep exploring. Peace out.